Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something special for you, a first look at the all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki WagonR, and in its stunning white color variant. Whether you're considering your next car purchase or just a fan of modern vehicles, you're in for a treat. As you walk into the showroom, the 2025 WagonR grabs your attention with its fresh design and bold presence. This model takes everything you love about the WagonR and elevates it to new heights. So, let's dive into the details of what makes the WagonR 2025 a standout choice in the small car segment. First off, let's talk about the color. The white color on this WagonR isn't just any shade of white, it's sleek, refined, and adds an extra touch of elegance. The new finish gives the car a more premium look, reflecting light beautifully and enhancing its overall appeal. Up front, you'll notice the updated grille, which has a bold chrome accent that pairs seamlessly with the redesigned, sharp headlights. The compact yet confident design ensures that the WagonR looks right at home in both city streets and on the open road. From the side, the 2025 WagonR maintains its classic silhouette but with refined curves and new alloy wheels that give it a more dynamic look. It's a car that's instantly recognizable but comes with a touch of modern sophistication. The rear end of the car has also been updated, with new, sleeker taillights and a more defined bumper design. It's all about creating a more contemporary and appealing overall shape. And of course, this white variant continues to shine as the perfect canvas for the WagonR's updated styling. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious cabin that's designed with comfort in mind. The dashboard layout is more intuitive, with easy-to-use controls and a digital infotainment system. The white interior accents complement the exterior color, creating a sense of calm and openness. The 2025 WagonR features an upgraded infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring that you're always connected on the go. The steering wheel is equipped with controls for audio and calls, allowing you to stay focused on the road while keeping everything at your fingertips. The rear seats are as spacious as ever, offering plenty of legroom for passengers, even on longer drives. This is one of the key selling points of the WagonR, its ability to offer a compact exterior with an unexpectedly roomy interior. Under the hood, the 2025 WagonR is powered by a new generation engine that delivers better fuel efficiency while still providing ample power for city driving and highway cruising. The 1.0L engine is paired with a 5-speed manual or automatic transmission option, depending on your preference. In terms of safety, Maruti has ensured that the 2025 WagonR is equipped with a range of features to give you peace of mind. Standard safety features include dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and more. The car is built with a strong body structure designed to absorb impacts, providing better protection for you and your passengers. Now, let's talk about the driving experience. The 2025 WagonR continues to deliver what it's known for: easy handling, a smooth ride, and great fuel economy. The compact dimensions make it perfect for tight parking spots and narrow city lanes, while still offering a comfortable and stable ride on highways. Whether you're navigating through crowded city traffic or cruising on the open road, the WagonR adapts seamlessly. The suspension has been refined to offer a balance between comfort and control, ensuring that the ride remains pleasant in almost any condition. Overall, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki WagonR in white is a car that impresses not only with its looks but also with its practicality and performance. It's a car that's built for the modern driver. Whether you're looking for a reliable city car, a fuel-efficient option for your daily commute, or simply a car that brings you joy every time you get behind the wheel. If you're considering the 2025 WagonR for your next vehicle, I highly recommend visiting your nearest Maruti Suzuki showroom to experience it firsthand. Take a test drive, explore the features, and see for yourself how this new WagonR can fit into your lifestyle. That wraps up our look at the 2025 Maruti Suzuki WagonR in its stunning white color. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest cars. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned.